Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to earn Bitcoin using your Android phone. Open your favorite browser on your Android phone. Navigate to the URL bit.ly/Android mining. Click on Get It on Google Play button. You will be navigated to Google Play Store app landing page. You need to purchase the app. It will cost you just around 75 cents or 55 Indian rupees, which you can earn it back in just 4 to 5 days. Select your preferred payment option and click Buy. After successful payment, a dialog box pops up asking you whether you require authentication for purchases or not. Select Yes Always and click OK to continue. Wait for few minutes for the app to install on your device. When the installation is complete, click Open. Accept the terms and condition to continue. Now click on the Crypto tab icon at the bottom left corner of the page. Tap on Crypto tab dashboard. Now you need to create an account. Click on Sign up with Google to continue. You can also use other social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter and VK to sign up. Select the Google account you want to use for creating an account. After successful creation of your account, you will be navigated to Cloud Mining page. Click on Enable Mining button. That's it, crypto mining started on your device. You need to press this Enable Mining button every 3 hours to continue mining on your device. More hours you mine, more Satoshi you can make. You can see your current earnings below and mining speed at the top. We have mined for 4 days and earned 1554 Satoshi, which is equal to 64 cents. You need to earn minimum 1000 Satoshi to request for withdrawal. Click on Withdraw BTC to request for withdrawal. Enter your Bitcoin wallet address. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. If you don't have a Bitcoin wallet, you can create an account in any one of the popular crypto exchanges here. Make sure that the exchange support your national currency so that you can convert your Bitcoin to your national currency. Click on the I am not a robot checkbox and solve the CAPTCHA. Click on Withdraw to proceed. A confirmation email will be sent to your registered email account. Go to your inbox and click on Confirm Withdrawal. That's it, you have successfully submitted withdrawal request. It will take around 1 to 2 business days for the payment to reflect on your Bitcoin wallet. Let us check our account after 2 days. As you can see, 1500 Satoshi has been deducted from our Crypto tab account. Let us check our payment history. Click on Withdraw BTC. Now click on Payment History. As you can see, payment is successfully processed. Let us check our Bitcoin wallet account. As you can see, we have successfully received Bitcoin in our wallet. This is how you can earn Bitcoin using your Android phone. Thank you for watching.